So picture this. It's like 3 p.m. on a random Wednesday, and I'm curled up on my couch with my current read. And my phone is making money while I'm reading. And if you're sitting there thinking, Nisa, that sounds too good to be true, I totally get it. And I thought the same thing, but here's the reality. We live in a world now where having multiple income streams isn't just like a luxury. It's kind of becoming a necessity. And honestly, I would have loved to just keep my Bookstagram as my cozy little hobby, just for me. But the truth is, if you have any type of hobby that you're already passionate about, especially if you're already creating content around it, why not figure out how to make it work for you financially? Hi, I'm Nisa and I have around 30k followers on my Bookstagram, where I share everything about my reading life and how much I read, how I'm trying to make reading a side hustle, and honestly, just my whole bookish journey. And today we're going to talk about realistic, genuine ways that you as a book lover can start making passive income. Before we dive into all the fun stuff, let's talk about what passive income actually means versus active income, because I feel like these terms get thrown around a lot and people don't really understand the difference. So active income is like your regular job, right? You work an hour, you get paid for that hour. You show up to your shift, you clock in, you do the work, you get a paycheck. You stop working, you stop getting paid. It's that simple direct exchange of your time for your money. But passive income is a little different, and honestly it's kind of magical once you understand it. You basically put up the work once, upfront, and then you continue to earn from that work over and over again without having to actively do something every single time. It's not about making a bajillion dollars overnight or being greedy or anything like that. It's really about preserving your time and energy so you can do fun things you actually want to do. Now here's the thing, you still have to put in effort in the beginning. There's definitely a hustle phase. Here's the really cool thing, and I want to mention this right away so you don't feel discouraged when you're first starting from zero. Some passive income streams don't actually require you to have an audience at all, like selling digital products on Etsy, creating Canva templates, or making reading trackers and printables. You can start making money from this without a single follower because Etsy has its own built-in audience of people actively searching for this product. So passive income number 1. Digital products on Etsy. So I'm starting with this one first because this is literally the best option if you're starting from 0 followers or you don't want to build a huge social media presence. And here's why this is so perfect for beginners. Etsy already has millions of people shopping on it every single day, actively searching for digital products. They're typing things like reading journal PDF or book tracker template or Bookstagram Canva template, and your products can show up in those searches. You don't need to have an audience, you don't need followers, you're tapping into Etsy existing traffic. So what kind of digital products can you create and sell on Etsy as a book lover? Let me give you some ideas. Number 1, reading journals and trackers. Create a super cute PDF reading journal where people can track the books they've read, rate them, write their thoughts, keep track of their favorite quote. You could make monthly reading trackers, yearly reading challenges, and series trackers where people can track all the books in a series. People absolutely love this and they're willing to pay anywhere from $3 to $15 for a well-designed reading journal. Favorite type of digital product is the Canva templates. Even though you don't need an audience for Etsy, other bookstagrammers who are building their accounts absolutely need content templates. The beauty of selling on Etsy is that once you create the product and list it, Etsy algorithm and search function do the work of getting it in front of customers. You still need to optimize your Etsy listings with good titles, descriptions, tags, and keywords so people can actually find your product. You need to create eye-catching product mockups so people want to click. And you should probably create multiple products over time because having more listings means more chances to make sales. Passive income idea number 2, affiliate marketing. Here you require some kind of audience. And what is affiliate marketing? It's basically when you share a product that you genuinely love, someone buys it through your special link, and you get a small commission from that sale. I have an affiliate link on my desk chair, and per sale I make around $30, and the chair itself costs around $400. For book lovers, this is so easy because we already have our favorite book. If you have a Bookstagram, you're already sharing your favorite reads with your followers. And here's where you can do affiliate marketing as a Bookstagrammer. Number 1, Amazon Associates. This is probably the easiest one to start with. You can create affiliate links for literally any book on Amazon, plus all the bookish access. So every time you post about a book you love, You can link it in your bio or in your link tree, and if someone buys that book through your link, you earn a commission. Number 2, bookshop.org. This is amazing if you want to support independent bookstores. You can create your own bookshop storefront and add all your favorite reads. Number 3, Barnes & Noble's affiliate program. Same concept, different retailer. And then there's like a whole world of bookish products you can affiliate market beyond just books. Passive part comes in because once you create that content, once you add those links to your link tree or bio or on Pinterest, that will continue to make money for months or even years. Here's how you can use Pinterest to your advantage. So here's the thing about Pinterest. It's not really a social media platform like Instagram or TikTok. It's actually more like a visual search engine. People go to Pinterest specifically looking for ideas. And unlike Instagram, where your post dies after like 48 hours, a Pinterest pin can keep bringing you traffic for months or even years. And let me explain how this works as a passive income. You create pins, which are basically pretty graphics, and you link them either to your blog, your Amazon affiliate storefront, your digital products shop, and whatever. And when people start to search for these things, your pins can actually show up in their search results. Here's what you can pin as a Bookstagrammer. Book recommendation graphics with affiliate links to buy the book, reading challenge ideas linked to your printable reading challenge tracker, bookshelf organization tips linked to your blog post with affiliate links. You can also post pins that link to your Etsy shop. Try to create 5 pins for each product I have and for each affiliate link. And also if you have a Bookstagram, I also create 5 pins for each post I have. You don't want to post them all at once. You want to actually schedule them throughout the week. The key with Pinterest is using good keywords and creating eye-catching vertical graphics. And Canva has amazing Pinterest templates you can use and just replace them with your products or images. You want your pins to be informative and valuable, not just pretty. We'll talk about blogging in a second, but Pinterest and blogging work so well together. You create a blog post and you optimize it for SEO. You create like 5 different pins designs for that one blog post and you pin them to Pinterest. And boom, you have content that can bring you traffic and affiliate income for literally years with zero extra work after the initial setup. Started using Pinterest seriously about 4 months ago, and now it's one of my biggest traffic sources on my Bookstagram and blog. And I spend maybe an hour a week scheduling pins now, and they work for me 24/7. Now let's talk about getting paid by brands and publishers to post. And technically this is more active income since you're creating new content for each partnership, but I'm including it because once you establish yourself, brands will start reaching out to you. So the hustle is in the beginning, but then it becomes more passive as you grow. You don't need a massive follower for this. I think I started having brand deals when I had 5k followers. Brands actually care about the engagement on your posts, and on Bookstagram you have kind of the best engagement there is in any niche. And here's who will pay you: publishers for promoting new releases, bookish brands like subscription boxes, bookish candles, bookmarks, general lifestyle brands that align with a cozy reading aesthetic. Now, how much can you charge? According to recent data, Bookstagrammers typically charge anywhere from $50 to $400 per post, depending on your following and engagement. When I started, I charged around $90 per post. And how do you get these deals? You can pitch directly to brands and publishers, send them your media kit showing your stats, engagement rate, audience demographics, and example of past content. Our next passive income idea is print-on-demand bookish merch. This one is fun and I've been wanting to do this forever. So print-on-demand means you design the product, but you never have to hold inventory or ship anything yourself. When someone orders your design on a mug or a tote bag, the print-on-demand company makes it and ships it directly to the customer. You just get a portion of the profit. The passive part comes in because once you create the design and upload it, you literally never touch the product. Someone orders it, it gets made and shipped, you get paid, and the only work is creating the initial design and marketing. And here's the cool thing. You can promote your merch to your Instagram followers, create pins on Pinterest linking to your shop, mention it in your email newsletter if you have one, or put the link in your Instagram bio. Multiple streams of traffic to one passive income source. Next passive income is the one that I'm trying to build up now, which is YouTube channel for book content. Now I know this might sound scary if you're camera shy, but hear me out. YouTube can be incredibly passive once you've built up a library of videos, and ad revenue can really add up. And you don't even have to show up your face if you don't want to. You could do voiceover videos like I do, where you just show books and aesthetics while you talk. or cozy reading vlogs where the focus is on the books and your space and not you. The passive income comes from YouTube ad revenue. Once you hit 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours, you can monetize your channel. And every single time someone watches your video, you earn money from the ads that play. And the beautiful thing about YouTube is that videos can continue to get views for years. You can also use it to promote your other income streams. I'm using my YouTube channel to promote my Instagram and my shop. You can promote your Amazon affiliate storefront or Pinterest that we talked about earlier. The next passive income idea is actually online courses or mini workshops. It's something that I'm currently working on, but I wanted to mention it here too. And I know it sounds intimidating, but you don't need to create some massive 50-hour course with million modules. You could create a simple mini course teaching something super specific, to create viral reels, how to build an engaged community, and so on. This course or workshop is passive because you create it once and you can sell it forever. People can take it as their own pace. You're not trading your time for money and you're not doing one-on-one coaching every single time. You can host it on platforms like Teachable or Kajabi, or even just sell it as a more affordable PDF guide. And yes, this requires the most upfront work out of all the ideas I've shared so far, but it also has the potential for the highest payout. You could price a comprehensive course anywhere from $49 to $200, depending on how much value it provides and how in-depth it goes. Even if you sell just a few courses a month, that's significant passive income. Plus, having a course position you as an expert in the Bookstagram community, it builds your authority, it builds trust, and it can lead to other opportunities like coaching, speaking to book events, consulting with authors or publishers. I already made a course as a PDF format, as an ebook. It made very good sales for me. I use Canva templates for the design of my ebook. Passive income is membership or Patreon for exclusive content. Most engaged followers pay a monthly fee for exclusive content. What could you offer in a membership? Early access to your book reviews before you post them publicly, exclusive book recommendations that you don't share on your main page, behind-the-scenes content of your Bookstagram process, monthly live Q&A sessions about books or Bookstagram tips. Key is to make it worth for the monthly fee. You want to provide real value that makes people excited to stay subscribed month after month. So I've mentioned blogging a few times and I want to quickly touch up before we wrap up. I'm actually going to do an entire separate video deeping dive into this and how to start and monetize a book blog, as it deserves its own full breakdown. But just know that blogging is one of the most sustainable long-term passive income strategies for Bookstagrammers. Blog posts can rank on Google for years and bring you consistent traffic and income through ads and affiliate. I'll cover everything in a future video, like how to choose your niche or how to write posts that actually rank, how to monetize with ads and affiliates, and all of it. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that video, because blogging has seriously changed the game for my bookish business. I hope you found this video helpful, and I want to emphasize this again because it's important. Some of these ideas requires you to have an audience, things like affiliate marketing or brand deals, selling directly to your followers. Those need people who know and trust you. You can still use Pinterest pins without an audience. But I honestly recommend you doing both while you're building your Bookstagram or Instagram for your hobby and growing your following. Also create products and list them on Etsy. That way you're making money while you're growing, and then once you have an audience, you can promote your Etsy shop to them too. Before you go, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up because it helps other Bookstagrammers find it too. Subscribe if you want more content about growing your Bookstagram or making it a side hustle, and drop a comment below telling me which passive income stream you want to try first. Thank you so much for being here and for letting me share this with you.